Hey, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out XDC's price chart. And in the previous video we were right around this area, and the idea was we should not trade XDC at all because basically we are stuck in a beautiful ranging pattern, and breaking this pattern on each way can mean a very different thing. And I said, let's just sit this one out and see what is going to happen. And are we going to get a break up, or maybe we are going to have a breakdown? And unfortunately, as you can see, the second scenario happened, and maybe it's best to go on like 15-minute chart. Okay, this was our initial break followed by a pullback and then a continuation of the move down. So I think we can safely say in XDC right now, at least, we are looking a bit bearish. Now, what is happening in terms of Elliott's waves? First things first, I want to say it again. I still believe this is probably an A, B, C, D, E in form of a triangular structure to about this point, meaning if you want to count impulses on the downside, you should probably start counting from here and not the highest high all the way up here, about like 7.4 cents. And having said that, I'm thinking maybe from this side we are having like 5 down into 1 correction for wave 2, another move into wave 3, A, B, C, probably a flat into 4, another move down into wave 5, and this might be into a wave 1. After that, I think we are having a correction for wave 2, and then probably a 1, 2, 5 down into wave 3, correction for 4, another move down into wave 5, into a larger degree wave 3, and there's a good chance in XDC we are going to have a consolidation pattern into our wave 4, followed by most likely yet another move down into wave 5. Elliott's waves, from my point of view at least for now, suggest odds are our move down in XDC is not over yet. But it's not actually all bad news. You see, I think if we want to have a decent understanding of where this move down might end, we need to get help from classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances. And sure, right around the current price action, we may not have some strong supports. However, those are not really that far off from the current point. You see, from weekly, H4 and also daily time frame at the same time, there is a very important cluster of support areas between 6.4 to about 6.5 cents region. So I am inclined to say, number one, in XDC, our move down is not over yet. Number two, it's not all bad news. Odds are we may see another 5% down, but hopefully that will be it, the end of our correction. And then I'm looking for a very strong bounce, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave without a lot of overlapping of the waves to call this point the final low in XDC. And from here, let's hope that we are going to start another beautiful phase of the bull run. So for the short term in XDC, I'm thinking there's a good chance our move down is going to continue. However, let me be very clear, because this support is not really that far off from the current point. This means the next move down is simply not a short opportunity. Okay, I want to be very clear. I do believe we're going to go down, but we should not take advantage of that. Odds are we are going to lose quite a bit of money in that process. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XDC's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.